Get ready to simplify your holiday entertaining and gift giving. In a short time, you can create these candied pecans using your homemade vanilla paste. These are perfect for gifting, parties, or just enjoying by the handful. Skip the stress and impress everyone with these incredibly delicious and addicting candied pecans. In a mixer, start whipping 1 room temperature egg white. While that whips, whisk up 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk that all together and set aside. Prepare your baking sheet by spraying it with a little cooking spray. I don't love using parchment paper for these. Once your egg white is fluffy, add 2 teaspoons of water, 1 teaspoon of your homemade vanilla paste. I will link the video for my vanilla paste in the description box below. Mix that up. Fill a large bowl with about 4 cups of pecan halves. Pour your egg mixture over this and mix well. Now coat your pecans and egg mixture with your sugar and cinnamon mixture. Dump this onto your baking sheet. Place in a preheated 250-degree oven and stir this every 15 minutes. I cook mine for about 60 to 75 minutes, stirring every 15. You will love the aroma that fills your home. Let these cool and then package for gifts. I bought these little gift boxes on Amazon. I'll link them below, or place your pecans in an airtight container and enjoy. Thanks for watching.